slime now. Monica has mixed her slime. I will need scissors. Now, we're gonna cut this to release the clay.
That looks good. I made that. Whoa, looks like that. I'll make some things. This sticky bitter. Can I try it?
Wait.
Ew.
It's like popping pimples.
Can I touch?
Okay.
Add has some activator. Ew.
I will mix it. It's the activator.
I put some activator on mine. Look at yours. Mine is prettier. Look yours. It's prettier. Look at mine.
Mixing.
I don't like it when you touch it. Don't touch mine. I
Ooh,
got some
the color.
activator. Ew, slimy.
Wow, the color turned out really cool.
Like mine.
Wait, I have some more.
I think the activator ruined the slime texture.
Wait.
I think it's small.
I'm adding more of the activator to let the slime be cool, to be a foam slime.
Can I see yours? Wanna see mine?
Okay,
It's kinda bad.
it's cool.
That's my color when we played that. Can I touch it? I didn't do it. It's tigas, no?
It's like an egg.
Yeah. It's a tigas. Whoa.
A
You can
patty
add some more
slime.
activator.
Oh, I don't want some activator.
We are the same lagayan.
And here is my slime.
I need to this to
Look
make
at
it dry.
Monica's slime.
I like that. Kinda sandy.
Show your slime.
It looks like a foot now.